Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And no be lie, me don come with updates, me don come with breaking news, me get report wey dey my table like this wey I need share give the general public. And the koko be say, for about 4 months now, peace don last return for Benengwari local government area of Kaduna State. And this state so dey for the northern part of this our green country wey be Nigeria. And the peace return after one peace agreement wey the state government reach with Bàndit wey be dey terrorize the area. The bandits dey come last agree to drop their arms and stop the reign of terror for in and around the state wey be Kaduna. Now you know say for inside the month of November for inside the year 2024, the Kaduna state governor wey be Sani, he will receive wetin he call repentant bandits as part of im government initiative to build bridges and subsequently get the bandits to lay down their arms. Now I know say many country people go dey wonder how much wey dem pay the bandits for them to kuku give up their terrorizing habit, for them to say okay we no go dey terrorize again, make we just kuku rest. How much dem pay them? I know say country people go dey wonder, they go dey ask. But Governor Sani of Kaduna State, he say he no give the bandits shishi, 1 naira he no give them, but he humble them through open, honest dialogue. That is to say, he reason with them with the plenty meetings and extensive discussions wey dem get, so they come build bridges of trust. And several senior bandits leaders now don lay down their arms and they don embrace peace along with their followers. Them now don kuku surrender the lifestyle of jaguda business, they don repent. But no be lie, my good people, you know say before the agreement come board, Kaduna State been dey under intense attack from bandits wey dey terrorize the state. These jaguda men just cool down like this, go all out for inside Kaduna State, and their attack dey happen especially for Chikun, Kagako, Giwa, Kajuru and Benengwari local government areas of Kaduna State. These men terror to the extent wey be say they get other areas of attack, and that's na major highways. These bandits no dey only thief and kpai people, they also dey kidnap people too. And the men wey go fit testify to these kidnapping incidents na school children, and them plenty. And then go down and tell you the horrors wey dey involved in these jaguda activities. Now it is very sad say school children normally are supposed to know experience those kind of levels, but last they can't go the experience am. Kidnapping wey be say even normal adults sef, the thing fit traumatize them, the thing fit put them for place wey be say in years to come they never come outside. If you make them start to get high blood pressure, if you make them start to overthink, or it go come affect their personal lifestyle, you get. But this kind of thing now wey fit tumble full grown adults, na something we say children can dey go through. Now my good people, make I yarn you as to why Governor Sani for Kaduna State negotiates with these bandits there. But however, it is good make men put am for back of their mind say this no be the first time we governments for some states for inside this our green country Nigeria so don make peace with bandits wey dey operate for their region. Some state governors for the northern part of Nigeria wey dey face security wahala, they be don also come outside come dey yarn say they are very much open to negotiate with insurgents for their region. Say they are very much open for dialogue, peace negotiations, you understand, to stop the jaguda activities for their region. Make jaguda men then come, make them reason, make them know the way forward. Now similar negotiation happened during the time of former governor of Zamfara State, maybe Bello Muhammad Matawali. He worked for some time, but later the bandits come return to their banditry work. Nobody know why they do like that, but the good part be say the peace negotiation it work for some time. Now onto this dialogue matter, one of the many questions we country people they like ask now whether this their negotiation fit last forever, and wetin make this their negotiation different from the other ones wey they don't do before, and whether it will get any effect for the future. Now Governor Sani of Kaduna State, for one interview wey he get with Tori people, he don dey yarn, they give the general public as to why this administration so decide to do peace deal with the bandits wey dey terrorize some part of the state. And he say his decision to dialogue na sake of the people wey dey beg for the violence to stop, especially the residents wey the Wahàla don affect well. and leaders of the community sef don even come to appeal to am so that im go for end the violence. So im come go meet with important stakeholders including the National Security Adviser wey be Nuhu Ribadu before im come finally decide to start the peace deal. And no be lie my good people, many communities for inside Kaduna State don too suffer from banditry wahala, and the thing don make many men for their communities bear RIP, while plenty hundreds of country people have been kidnapped more than 10 years now with no lasting solution. Normally, men no fit predict the future. Men no fit tell true if the negotiation with the bandits dem go bring lasting peace for the northern part of the nation Nigeria. But on top this very particular matter, so some security experts dey see am as better development if dem put correct measures in place. The thing fit last bring lasting peace for the northern region wey don dey battle insecurity for over 10 years. You know say one countryman wey dey go by the name Dr. Yahuza, he na security expert and the managing director for Eagle Integrated Security and Logistics Company for inside Abuja wey be Nigeria capital. He na dey believe say any measure wey dem fit take to avoid bloodshed suppose dey welcome, since e fit bring peace for inside their region, and the money wey dem dey use to dey fight insurgency, dem fit come use am take build infrastructure, dem fit come use am take do better thing. Dr. Yahuza come still dey yarn say last these bandits na Nigerians wey dem be too, and some of them fit get talent wey go benefit the country if negotiation come last happen between both sides. And to him, the only implication wey im think say this negotiation fit bring na if authorities no take good measures during the negotiation, and if the remaining states now wey dey experience insecurity come refuse to do dialogue with the bandits, because the terrorists now fit move from Kaduna State go other states go dey do their operations. And no be lie my good people, as the state government now dey prepare to negotiate, as they dey organize now, make dem know wetin dem go talk, make dem know wetin dem go do, make loophole now no come dey the negotiation or the agreement. Make e no be say men now come agree say okay fine, we no go terrorize Kaduna State, we go let them live in peace, then they go come jack all their ngongo, carry all their force go the nearest state go dey terrorize. Those kind levels normal, e no go make sense. And that time now, if he asks whether they agree to the negotiations, he go say yes because they need to terrorize Kaduna State. But the implication, the disadvantage, we say they come pack their ngongo go another state. This my good people, now the informate we I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update, if you like this news so, and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Meanwhile, may they come your screen, may they come back again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg try make you no go anywhere.